Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Countif formula in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. Simply select the cell, go to the formulas tab and click on the insert function. And here the insert function dialog box is open. The first option, search for a function. You can just enter here the Countif, okay, and click on the go. And here you can see the function is search here. Simply select the function and click on OK, and here you see the function arguments for Countif function is open. The first is a range. Select the range here. So I just click on this arrow and select the first cell. Then I use the shortcut key Shift Control right arrow to select the heading. Then down arrow to select the entire data. You can see the range of data. Then click on the arrow and here the range is selected. Then in criteria, criteria is the condition in the form of number, expression or a text that defines which cells will be counted. So you can just enter here the criteria. So I select here the in category, the furniture. Okay. The furniture is a criteria I selected here. You can see in double quote the furniture here showing. Okay. And you can check the result as 2120. Just click on OK and 2120 is count here of furniture. If you want to cross check, simply select the cell and apply the filter. Shift Control L to apply the filter. Then click on this filters icon and I select here the furniture and click on OK. Then I select the first cell and use the Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. So 2120 is a count. Same as I remove this filter now, 2120 here calculated. Okay. 2120 the furniture count in this data. It means in this category furniture entries is 2120 is available. Okay, so this is a way you can use. Second way is simply select the cell. Instead of go the formulas tab, you just click on this formula icon. You can see the insert function is the same icon of insert function. You just click here and you can select here the function and then click on the OK. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.